Hello there. If you're still looking for an online job, work from home, stable, at hindi masyado maraming scam, pwede pa rin gamitin ng online jobs. I still trust it and you should too. But if hindi ka naman masyadong familiar pa dito sa terms na ginagamit minsan for copywriting or marketing, I'm here to help out. So just a few things. This is just 30 jobs out of like 103. Kaka-search ko lang ngayon. And if you're not yet sure about the terms, let's break them down for you each. Kasi medyo malawak ang reach ng copywriting. It's not just about creating articles that convert. It's probably creating pages with words that help translate from one place to another, point A to point B. So if they're expecting you to build funnels for an e-com store, there are three keywords there. Funnel, which is yung mga pages na pinupuntahan ng mga tao para maging aware depending on the target audience kung ano yung binibenta ng client. Funnelish is a software. You must be able to understand what that is all about. Kung wala, again, don't fake it till you make it. And six-figure e-com store. Ibig sabihin, ang niche ni client ay direct to consumer. Ibig sabihin, yung parang Shopee or Lazada, pwedeng kung sa labas ito, Amazon or Alibaba. SEO and pay-per-click manager naman, ito is for search engine optimization. So most likely, kung involved ng PPC, may konting ads. So you have to be direct response. Kailangan yung copy mo magbibigay ng um, CTA agad-agad para maging converting yung tao na pumapasok dun sa ads nila. And SEO most probably will involve a lot of content, mga pillar blogs, and any type of other content na pwedeng gawing pillar, like infographics and video content. Marketing specialist, this would um, include probably a lot of ito, may nakalagay landing pages, email. So, ang important kapag nag-apply ka, hindi mo lang babasahin yung title, pati yung job description overview. SEO-driven content pa rin. Business development assistant, more on, ang magiging key role mo dito is to develop new business. So, ikaw yung closer for the most part. Ganyan talaga ang trabaho ng business development. Ikaw yung lead gen, ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan para ma-convert, gagawa ka ng um, workflows or probably scripts to help convert people para ma-combat mo yung objections nila towards what you're selling, para ma-highlight mo yung benefits ng binibenta. Funnel builder ito, bumalik na naman. Digital marketing manager, binanggit yung ClickFunnels, so you should be able to understand what ClickFunnels is about. Digital marketing manager, same. ClickFunnels, ad scripts, ito naman more on media buying. Dapat maintindihan mo paano gumawa ng high converting na scripts for ad. Maybe they're using videos or reels for that. Ito medyo may pagka-designish kasi kailangan yung designer for e-commerce listicles. Listicles means just articles na puro listahan ng top 10 or most visited sites, ganyan. And you have to understand design as well. So medyo mahirap yun kung wala kang eye for graphics. Creative strategies naman, medyo more on ikaw pa rin yung gagawa ng scripts. Usually VSL. VSL means video sales letter. So, ang highlight dyan ay video. So, direct response usually for email naman to, nagbebenta ka na agad yan. Sales emails ang ginagawa mo. So, if you're still having troubles with terms and all, you could probably learn more of this through AI or join my webinar this October 5, Full Funnel Marketing Mastery. Thanks, and see you in the next one.